guys, I'm so excited. I'm filming a brand new series. It's gonna be 50 episodes. Guys, it's time to get it out. Now guys, get your hot glove and take off the cover. Wow, it smells so good. Look at that, guys. It looks like a sponge cake. Now guys, we wanna put a 1/4 cup of marshmallows inside. Guys, I'm just a kid. Kids make mistakes all the time. Right, guys? Roasted rosemary potatoes, look! Now it's time to mix it up to try. Oh, that was so Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.